This is a brief guide that demonstrates how you can access the Additional Learning Support page on the College VLE. Firstly, click the Internet Explorer icon at the bottom of the screen and find the tab for the VLE. Once you click the tab, the VLE page should open at the home page, and Additional Learning Support can be found under other links. Once the home page is loaded, you'll be able to see a direct link to the Additional Learning Support College Twitter feed, which is updated daily. You'll also see a selection of tiles which give further information to staff and students. We have a designated area with information for tutors. We also have information about our study areas and where they can be found and the opening times. We also have two sections which give information about external support links, and there's also information on how you can access previous copies of the Study Hacks newsletter, which can be found in this folder. Any of the websites or the apps that we recommend in Study Hacks can also be found in this folder with direct links. There's also information about apps that are useful for maths, for English, and we also provide a student app guide. There are also printable to-do lists and weekly planners that students can access freely and download. We also have a section on the home page called Watch and Learn. This is where students can access tutorial videos which show them how to use pieces of software such as Google Docs, speech-to-text software, Claro Read software, and this is being updated all the time, so it's worth checking back to see what's new. You'll also find information on this year's wellbeing activity, which is being run by the wellbeing team, called the Digital Detox. On here you'll find further YouTube clips about social media and how it could be hurting our mental health. There's also quizzes that students can take part in to find out if they're addicted to their smartphone. And there's also how digital detox is being portrayed in the news. Again, this is another area that's going to be updated throughout the year, and so it's worth checking back to see what's new. You'll know when a new activity has been updated because there'll be a blue banner in the corner that says new activity, so you know which tiles have got new activities and which ones to check out first. So thank you for watching this brief guide. I do hope you found it useful, and I hope that you'll visit the Additional Learning Support page soon. Thank you.